My video guide is about getting rid of the pop-ups that are related to the site Blackdealfriday.online. Blackdealfriday.online is a new, pretty malicious website. It claims to be related to the well-known security application. The point is that it is not true. Such pop-ups are absolutely fake. They are deceptive and they are not related to any decent security application. Do not ever trust these deceptive pop-ups. Such pop-ups could be the result of certain adware to be currently enabled in your computer. So you should not interact with these fake alerts by Blackdealfriday.online. They are totally fake and deceptive, and you should not trust them. What I recommend you to do is researching the control panel and uninstall any suspicious programs if you find them. Also, to make sure that the system is free of other possibly hidden threats, consider researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and begin researching your computer in order to detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.